In this week's Talent on the Rise segment, let's meet projects.
Them a say what do me, say what do me. Yeah, them a say what do me, say what do me. Don't know now to strain it. As you see the voice crack. You see me, but I'm a thing and boom, sick up top. You know the projects. Clever than ever to the max.
Which projects?
Humble youth, you see me, well educated, so to speak, you see me. Self-motivated, well determined, you see me. I have a strong belief, say yo, as Cartel say, every ghetto youth is a star. You have to just find that within yourself, put it in your brain, because if you don't think great, you cannot be great. Go through a little struggle, end up a Cockburn pen, start Vice, find some rhythm, and then the selector them find out and say, yo, you know the boy bad, and stay so bad, and I start play the song. Enter Magnum Kings and Queen, jump out, you don't know that's something there. Then we just go reinvent yourself in a more intellect way, then, you know, find a more, something where, you know, can tune in, the people can tune into more. Stay so bad and jump back in the world, you know, and music, and I bomb it, man. Mad thing and boom, everybody say. Yeah, straight. So me represent for the ghetto people, them. This new song where I run the place right now, ghetto people boss it. Ghetto boys and girls, ghetto women, you see me?
Tell us about that song.
Song I'm mad right now, you know. You see, my voice sound? Eh? Shows every night, all three. Basically, my team produce a song. You understand what I say? Grab them records, a danger. Grab them rhythm, grab them records, you see me? Do the voicing. That tune is a girl tune. Entering Magnum now, you show what class of music the real world, so to speak, want. If you want to do music as a career, then you know if you compose a song in a particular way where it's clean and unique and can play on the radio. Magnum teach you that something I give it certain highlight for make we, you know, get a just a feeling of what is to come. Town say I'm mad, ting and boom, boom, boom. When the bassline thumping, hang gyal get wilder. Your body act like you a devil child. When you touch me whole body smile. When me broke, me a broke your bad. Wall a couple Kyla. She say me sharp like me band with a filer. Me see how you me want fi change me isla.
Now it's time to check out this week's video premiere.
You see the stone where the builder refuse become the head cornerstone. One leap of fight we get just you and we alone. Them think I win, them I win when them see me downfall. Tell them I build, man I build, cause everything starts small. And years to come, them I go members that how we them used to walk past. Years to come, them I go give you the glory. Get a youth at last, I say years to come. You a go ask yourself, I want make them fake so. Years to come, you a go remember when you talk and them never hear you. So what we do? Never get distracted. Keep my focus. Get a youth stay active. And remember, they never loved us. Remember when we the backstage and I wonder what's the hold up. Just always remember when we say in the chorus. Years to come, them a go remember say how we them used to walk by. Years to come, them a go give you the glory. Get a youth at last, so say years to come. You a go ask yourself, I want make them fake so. Years to come, you a go remember when you talk and them never hear you. You know we take a leap of sweat and tears to put me where I'm at. Years on top of years, and they wanna hold me back. Man do this for the music, them care about material. When them think me lose it, Jamie call. Years to come, them a go remember say how we them used to walk past. Years to come, them a go give you the glory. Get a youth at last, so say years to come. You a go ask yourself, I want make them fake so. Years to come. You a go remember when you talk and them never hear you. Them a go remember say how we them used to walk past. Get a youth at last.
When we get back, it's the crowning of a new Miss Universe Jamaica, and we bring you the latest in E! News. We'll be right back.